Will installing an SSD in my Xbox 360 affect my game saves or data?
In this video, we'll be discussing whether installing an SSD in your Xbox 360 will have any impact on your game saves or data. Let's dive in.
What is an SSD?
An SSD, or solid-state drive, is a type of storage device that uses flash memory instead of spinning disks like traditional hard drives, HDDs. This makes SSDs faster, more reliable, and less prone to failure.
Will installing an SSD affect my game saves or data?
The short answer is no. Installing an SSD in your Xbox 360 should not affect your game saves or data, as long as you follow the proper steps to transfer your data to the new drive.
How do I transfer my data to the new SSD?
Here's a step-by-step guide to transferring your data to the new SSD. 1. Power off your Xbox 360 and unplug all cables. 2. Remove the current HDD from your console. 3. Connect the HDD to a computer using a SATA to USB adapter. 4. Create a backup of your game saves and data to your computer. 5. Install the SSD into your Xbox 360. 6. Connect the console to the computer using a USB cable. 7. Transfer the backup you created earlier to the new SSD.
What are the benefits of upgrading to an SSD?
Upgrading to an SSD in your Xbox 360 will bring several benefits, including 1. Faster load times. SSDs have significantly faster read and write speeds, reducing the time it takes to load games and save files. 2. Improved reliability. SSDs have no moving parts, making them less prone to failure and mechanical issues. 3. Reduced noise. SSDs are virtually silent, which can make for a more enjoyable gaming experience. In summary, installing an SSD in your Xbox 360 will not affect your game saves or data if you properly transfer the data to the new drive. Additionally, upgrading to an SSD can improve your console's performance and reliability, making it a worthwhile investment for many gamers.